only second in command because the first in command is Mrs. Captain. Good evening, ma'am. Thank you for all the supporters, although some of them are sleeping. Okay, this is a song I composed. All I want is to please join me. All you have to do is do the like Sean. Sean. Can you please do that to me? One more time. 1, 2, 3. Sean. 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 Okay. 3 times only, otherwise I cannot sing. But before I start, I would like to take this opportunity to greet Cindy for having her baby sister Kate yesterday. Can you please, everyone, on my counts, 1, 2, 3, say, congratulations, Cindy. 1, 2, 3.
Congratulations, Cindy.
Thank you. Although I'm not sure if Cindy can understand because Cindy is still 5 years old. Cindy is a 5-year-old monkey. Okay, this song you will hear is all shown at the very end.